Welcome to today's live session. Today, I'll be taking you guys for the breakdown analysis, the daily chart breakdown. And today we'll be analyzing gold and Euro USD. So we are going to start with gold. Okay? I'm going to start with gold. So I'm sharing my screen now. Sharing my screen now. I hope you guys can see my screen. So we are on gold and we're going to go to the daily time frame for our top-down analysis. Okay. Then we map out key levels first. Very important. We map out key levels. Then we're going to go down to the 4 hours and try to do the same thing. This is a key level, I think. Then we can move down to the 1 hour and map out key levels too. This is a key level. Okay. So now, I hope you guys can see my screen. I hope you can see my screen. Please, if you can see my screen, just let me know in the comments. Let me know, please. So now we are on the 4-hour time frame. 1 hour time frame. So we had a series. I know that this market has been in an uptrend the past since last week. So okay, somebody is saying the screen is not clear. I'm trying to sharing my screen. Why are you guys always crashing everything?
Imagine my questions.
Okay, sorry for that. We had a small technical issue. We had a small technical issue. Please, can you guys see my screen now? Respond in the comment section, please. Can you see my screen? We had a technical issue. So as I was saying, go to the 1 time frame, map out our key levels. Please, I'm having a small issue with network. There's a little issue with network. Let me remove the chat. Or we can even continue here. Okay. So as I was saying, this trend line, we have mapped out our key levels, and this trend line is on the 1 hour. We know that this market has been bullish since last week, right? So if we are looking to take a trade on gold, we're looking for buy opportunities, except we want to grab some short sales. If not, our overall, like what we're looking overall is a buy entry. Okay, screen. Oh, you guys are okay, thank you. Now, we have break of structure here to the upside, which gives us this bullish move. We have another break here. We have another break there. We have another one here. And we have a substructure inside this level, and then we have this break of structure. Remember, all this movement down is a substructure of this overall break of structure to the upside. And we see that this market also has also broken this previous high, right? So I'm going to map it, and we're still looking forward to buy this market. And also, if we look at it very well, we're going to see that we have support and a resistance level. Like this is a previous, like a zone, it is a zone itself. I think this will be more clear on the 15 minutes time frame. We have this resistance zone. We have this resistance zone. Okay. And we also have a support zone here. This is support zone. Right? So the market has been moving up, down, up, like up, yeah, and the market has broken this resistance level. So what are we waiting for? We're waiting for this market to retest this level. I think it has retested already. So we're waiting for the market to actually really retest this level and buy. Buy at this point. Okay. I hope you guys can see my screen. I hope you are seeing my screen. Okay. So we are looking for a buy opportunity on this gold, and we are on a 15 minutes time frame. So if you're on the chart, you can take this buy. You can take this buy. You normally like this. Where we are stop loss be like those level. I think I should go to the 1 hour to see where our take profit is going to be on 4 hours. To see where our TP is going to be. So if you have money in your account, you can take your buy, because the market has already broken this resistance level and it has retested this level, right? It has retested this level, or you can still wait because the market might also come down here. Market might come right to actually tap into the zone before moving up, right? But you can still enter your market now. If not, you wait for it to come here. But we are not sure if the market is going to actually come back here to buy. But then you can take your buy here, or you wait for the market to come down here before you take your buy. This is around the 15 minutes. Wait for the market to come down there. In fact, let's wait for the market to come down here and take our buy, right? So this is about gold. So we are looking for a buy opportunity on gold, right? We see the market has been bullish. We see our resistance, we see our support. Our resistance has been broken and it is retesting, right? So when the market is retesting, we are looking forward to buy. So this is a very good trade. Any questions so far? If you have a question, just drop it in the comment section. As you can see, any question about this setup, if you have any question, you just ask. Then I'm going to move to Euro USD, or let's put an alarm so that when the market gets to this point, it should tell us that okay, the market is at this point, so we can enter for this trade. Let's create an alarm. Okay, let me check the price. 3387. Let's create an alarm for that level.
Are you analyzing?
Okay, so this is our alarm here. When the market gets here, trading fee is going to notify us that the market is our entry level so that we can enter the buy. Okay, if you are not patient enough, you can enter, but whether you are still big. So you can be patient enough to wait for the market down here and then you proceed. Okay. Any question, you drop it in the comment section. Okay, someone is asking, is there okay? I think you're talking of something like this. This. Even if you are drawing this trend line, I think this trend line has been broken, right? This trend line has been broken. If you are looking at it like this downtrend, market touched here, touched here, touched the third time, it came and broke it, we tested it. I don't know if you're seeing it. This market came like this. Let me reshare the screen. So can you see my screen? Never, you said on the one trend, this is the downtrend that I have drawn. And if you look at it very well, you see that this downtrend has been broken here, right? Like the downtrend has been broken and it has been retested and it is moving up. Okay? I don't know if I'm answering your question. This is a 1 hour trend line, and this is also a 1 hour trend line, like uptrend, right? And we went down to the 15 minutes to have our entry. So we are waiting for the market at this point to take a buy. If you want to take a buy right now, you can take a buy. It will be very huge. Are we getting it? If you have any question, you just ask. So this is what we are waiting for. We're waiting for a buy opportunity. Any moment from now. Can you guys see my screen now? Can you see my screen now? Can you see? So if you have an account, be ready to buy gold. Ready to buy gold at 3387.04 If you have an account ready to buy gold, gold is going to come up. Any questions so far? As I was saying, NEPA, I've drawn the downtrend line that you were talking about, but then it has been broken. You see, it has been touched here once, twice, and then you can see that it touched here the third time, and then it moved down. But then it came and broke this trend, the trend line, broke it, we tested it, and it is still buying. Okay, so that's what we're looking for, buy opportunities at this level. And overall, since that this market has been bullish. Okay, so now we went down to the 15 minutes to have our entry. And the market is coming down, so we're ready to buy. ready to buy. I think I'm also going to enter this trade. So very soon the market will come down for an entry and be ready to buy. I'm setting my limits. The market will soon be there. You see, right? The market has bought. I think there was a news. So you can enter your trade. Oh. You can enter. You can take your buy. Yeah, you can take a buy. Eh? We have at least I think there was a news here. The way the market is, the way this candle is huge. The stop loss is at okay, the stop loss has been hit. I think there's a news. Let me see. There's a news. Okay, there's a on an unemployment claim news. Unemployment claim news. We have a news today. Our stop loss has been hit. Our stop loss has been hit due to the news. We had a news. But then overall, this market is going to continue buying. And you should also know that losses are inevitable in the market. Okay? When you lost, you should not give up. You should not give up. So we have been taken out, right? But I don't think this setup is invalid yet. Because overall this market is bullish. Except that we had a fake out. Except we had a fake out, right? If you have your questions, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to them. If you have your questions, please drop it in the comment. I'm going to respond to them. Okay, we're going to move forward on Euro USD. Euro USD. Please, if you have a question, just drop it in the comment. I'll come and read and respond to you guys. So we are going to run the 4 hours to mark our key levels. We have a key level here. We have another one here where the market is at now. We have I think we should go down. There's another one here. I'll go down to the 1 hour so that this market is bullish. Right? The market is bullish. It's an uptrend. We have a series of break of structures to the upside. Break of structures to the upside. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to your questions. We have another break here. Okay. So looking at this, we know that okay, this market is on a resistance zone. This is a resistance zone. This market is on a resistance zone and it has been struggling to break this level, but still it hasn't been able. But then I'm thinking that this market is going to come down to this level, to this trend line, or maybe give a takeout, then buy. This is what I'm thinking the market is going to do. Let me redraw this trend line. Let me redraw this trend line on 1 hour. Okay. So this is what I'm thinking the market is going to do. The market is going to either come down to this trend line and buy. This is my expectation for EURUSD because the market has been in an uptrend. So except the market comes and it breaks, comes down, maybe it sells. That's when the market breaks them and that's when I think you can be looking for sell opportunities. But if not, I think this market should be looking for buy opportunities. If you're looking for sell opportunities, then it should be just a short sell, like grabbing short sales. Okay. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond. So this is what we are waiting for on EURUSD. This is what I'm waiting for on EURUSD. This one is going to come down to this point and buy. If it breaks this level, this resistance level, if it breaks it there, we are just going to wait for a retest. Then continue to buy. So if it breaks this level, wait for a retest, then the market continues to buy. If not, this market is going to come down, retest this trend line, and we are looking for on EURUSD. Any questions so far? If you have any question, please just drop it in the comment section and I'm going to respond to your worries. Or if you have any other page you want us to look at, just drop it in the comment and I'm going to look at that then. Look at the ETC. I look at ETC. We see that on the 1 hour we have there is a resistance level here, another level here that the market has been resisting to break, and we have this resistance, we have also this resistance zone down here, right? And this market just came and tapped into this our resistance level and moved up. But the leader overall, this market is bullish. So I think this market has really moved because if we also see, we can also have a trend line here. We can also draw a trend line. We can also draw a trend line here. And if this market comes back, I think if this market comes back, it's going to be this here and buy. Okay, let's check back the book now. What's happening on gold? So gold has taken us out. Let me remove this. Gold has taken us out, but then I'm looking at this gold is still going to, but it's just the testing because it has broken this level. It's just the testing to buy. Okay. So overall, I think there was a stop loss hunt. I don't know if you know what stop loss hunt is. So it's hunt, and this market is going to buy very well. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? Okay, Brad is asking how to explain how to trade during news and how to benefit during high market volatility. There's something you should know that the news move with your technical analysis. Okay, maybe let's say because tomorrow is NFP, so My colleague will explain that much more better because the live session we are 1:30 and that's when NFP is going to come up. So news often move with your technical analysis. That means that if the market is at this resistance level during when a particular news wants to come out, you're expecting this market to either drop down because it is on a resistant level. Either you're expecting the market to drop down. Like in fact, this is what you're expecting the market to drop down and not go up. Why? Because it should respect your technical analysis. So news move like hand in hand with your technical analysis. Sometimes it violates or sometimes the market might spike on you. Okay. So you should have that in mind. I think that's how to benefit from like news trading and the volatility of that particular point in technical analysis. Overall, technical analysis is very important. I don't think without technical analysis you can actually like get the news except like maybe Trump gives like the tax he put out. You saw that the market actually USD, EXY actually dumped very well. Why? Because it was not in favor of many people. That was why USD dropped. The news was not for a positive news, it was not a good news. That was why USD had to drop. Right? Let's say, for example, employment claims or unemployment claims. When there's high employment rate, it means that the dollar is going to have strength. Like dollar will move up, like dollar will reach, the US dollar will reach. So, but when there is like unemployment, the dollar would rather go down like sell. You should be looking for sell when the unemployment rate is negative. When it's positive, you are looking for buy opportunities. So that's another way to grab opportunities or news trading. I don't know if I've answered your question, Brian. If you have another question, you can ask. If you have another question, you can ask. Any other question? Because I think I've already analyzed the two pairs I was supposed to analyze with you guys today. This Euro USD and gold. We were stopped out on gold. I got hit on gold. So we are waiting for this buy here. We're waiting for this buy here. We're waiting for this buy. I think we can target this high. So we're waiting for this buy on Euro USD, right? We go, we have been stopped out and the market is really dumping. So our setup has been invalidated on gold. Our setup has been invalidated, but nevertheless, the market might also be coming down to this support zone to buy. Okay, I might be coming to support zone to buy this trend line. You know that this trend line falls on this support zone, right? This trend line falls on this support zone. So nevertheless, on this support zone. So nevertheless, the market might be coming down to this zone to continue buying. Okay, so the first buy signal has been invalidated, right? So we're waiting for this other setup to play out. Waiting for this other until we can enter from here, and our target should be this point. And our stop loss should be this previous in here. So this is what we are also looking at, because the other thing that we had here has been invalidated. So we're waiting for this other setup. So I think that is that for our analysis for today. If you have any other pen and want to analyze, just comment in the comment section. Or if you have any question, just go ahead and ask. If not, then I think, okay, Brian said, but during news with high market volatility, brokers often manipulate their spread. Is that true? Yes, some brokers manipulate spread during news trading. During news trading, some brokers, like the spread is always high. The spread fluctuates. And remember, that's how brokers make money. Brokers make money through spread. So you just either you don't trade news, or you just trade your technical analysis. The data the news comes and meets you during when you're in trade. Okay, good and fine. Why is gold buying during news event? Does it mean the strength of USD has increased in the value of USD? Okay, when gold USD has fallen, when gold is buying, if you look at DXY, you will see that DXY is selling, meaning that DXY is gold, meaning that DXY is USD, sorry, meaning that USD is falling. When gold is buying, it means that the strength of US dollar the value has declined, has fallen. Isa, I don't know if I'm answering your question. Brokers, they make their money through spread, okay? And during news events, spread often happens during news events and overnight. That's when spread, you experience spreads. So, like most of the brokers, during news, there's a lot of manipulation. Either you avoid trading news, I think that's even the best option, because news deals a lot to with your emotions. So I don't know if I've answered the question, Isa and Ryan. If no other question, I think that will be done for today. Thank you guys for participating in the class of today. And see you guys next Thursday. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye.